The La Niña in the tropical Pacific that has been underway in the last few seasons is weakening, as indicated by both sea surface temperatures, the subsurface ocean, and atmospheric indicators. Sea surface temperatures in the Niña 3.4 region have dropped to neutral conditions for the first time this month, although whether on a seasonal basis this event will fall into ENSO neutral category is roughly split 50-50 for this season, although will very likely transition to neutral conditions next season. In the subsurface ocean, the heat content is returning to normal conditions very recently, indicating that there may not be much additional fuel to continue this event in the coming months. Likewise, if we look at the atmosphere, the Southern Oscillation Index, while still positive as we would expect in a La Niña, is also returning towards more neutral conditions. And the precipitation anomalies that we would expect throughout the tropical Pacific are weakening and becoming somewhat noisier. All of these indications point towards this event transitioning towards neutral in the near future, and this is supported by model forecasts. The climate models, although we are in the spring predictability barrier, all indicate that this event will very likely transition to neutral conditions, if not this season of March, April, May, then next season of April, May, June. Despite this, there are sea surface temperatures that are driving some precipitation anomalies in the coming seasons, both in the Pacific and in the Atlantic, such that we have below normal precipitation forecasts for the Northwest United States and below normal precipitation likely in Northeast Brazil as well as Central Asia, and above normal precipitation in southeastern Asia and eastern Australia. So this event very likely is on the way out and transitioning into neutral conditions, although some of these sea surface temperatures may linger long enough to still have an effect in the coming seasons. And as always, we are in the spring predictability barrier, so this event may yet surprise us. To understand how it will evolve in the future and how quickly it'll transition to very likely neutral conditions, stay informed, and until next time, be well.